Welcome to Cruz TV, Algebra on the Go. Ang topic po natin for today is Radical Equations, Grade 9 Math. So today, we will discuss how to solve radical equations. So proceed po tayo sa ating example number 1. Square root of 3 minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Ang una po natin gagawin is to isolate one radical. So iihiwalay po natin yung isang radical. So, ito po yun, 3 minus x. So, maiiwan po to sa may left side and the rest, yung mga kasama po ng ating radical equation, itatranspose po natin dito sa may right side. Okay. So, we have 3 minus x is equals to, so transpose po natin, negative 2 dito po sa may right side. So, negative 2 becomes positive 2. Then, i-squared po natin both sides of the equation. Then, makakancel po itong radical symbol o yung square root. So, ang matitira po dito is 3 minus x is equals to, so, 2 squared is equals to 2 times 2 po. Ang ibig sabihin nito, that is 4. Then, solve for the value of x. So, i-transpose po natin itong negative x dito sa may right side at itong 4 dito po sa may left side. So, we have 3. Then, transpose positive 4 to the left side, magiging negative 4 po yan, is equals to, so negative x, transpose po natin dito sa right side, magiging positive x na po yan. So, 3 minus 4, that is negative 1, is equals to x. So, x is equals to negative 1. So, i-check po natin kung tama ang ating nakuhang value ng x. So, i-copy po natin yung ating original radical equation. So, square root of 3 minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Then, square root of 3. Then, substitute po natin yung value ng x. Negative 1. So, we have negative times negative 1 minus 2 is equals to 0. So, we have square root of 3. So, negative times negative 1, that is positive 1 minus 2 is equals to 0. So, square root of 3 plus 1, that is 4 minus 2 is equals to 0. So, square root of 4, that is 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So, 0 is equals to 0. Okay, so nag-balance po. 0 is equals to 0. So, tama po ang ating nakuwang value ng x is equals to negative 1. So, the solution set on these radical equations is x is equals to negative 1. Example number 2. Square root of x plus 1 is equals to square root of 2x minus 1. Okay? So, ang ginawa po nating una is to isolate one radical. So, dito po sa ating example, naka-isolate na po itong ating one radical. Nakahiwalay na po. So, nasa left side na po siya. So, wala na po tayong i-isolate. So, i-copy po natin. So, we have x plus 1 is equals to square root of 2x minus 1. Then, squared both sides of the equations. So, makakancel po ito. Square root, then cancel, cancel. So, matitira po is x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 1. Then, simplify po natin. Combining like terms, meron po tayong x and 2x and 1 and negative 1. So, we have 1. Transpose po natin itong negative 1 to the left side. So, negative 1 becomes positive 1. Then, equals. So, we have 2x. Then, transpose po natin yung x dito sa right side. So, positive x becomes negative x. So, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Is equals to 2x minus x, that is x. So, x is equals to 2. Then, check po natin kung tama ang ating nakuwang value ng x. Then, copy po natin yung original radical equation. So we have square root of x plus 1 is equals to square root of 2x minus 1. Then, substitute po natin yung value ng x. X is equals to 2 dito po. So we have 2 plus 1 is equals to square root of 2 times we have 2 minus 1. Then, square root of 2 plus 1, that is 3, is equals to square root of 2 times 2, that is 4 minus 1. So, square root of 3 is equals to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So, we have square root of 3. Okay, so nagbalance po. Tama po. So, x is equals to 2. So, the solution set on this radical equation is x is equals to 2. Example number 3, cube root of x minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. Then, ang una po natin gagawin is to isolate one radical. So, ito po, ihiwalay po natin itong cube root of x minus 2. So, may iiwan po yan dito sa may left side at yung negative 1, transpose po natin dito sa may right side. So, we have cube root of x minus 2 is equals to, so negative 1, transpose po natin dito sa right side. So, negative 1 becomes positive 1. Then, dahil cube root po siya, i-cube root po natin both sides of the equation. So, makakancel po ito. Cancel. So, matitira po dito is x minus 2 is equals to, ang cube root po ng 1 is 1 times 1 times 1. That is 1. Then, x is equals to 1. So, negative 2 transpose to the right side. So, negative 2 becomes positive 2. Then, x is equals to 1 plus 2. That is 3. So, x is equals to 3. Then, check po natin kung tama ang ating nakuhang value ng x. Then, copy po natin yung original radical equation. So, we have cube root of x minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. Then, cube root of x. So, we have 3. Substitute po natin dito. Minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. Then, cube root of 3 minus 2, that is 1. Minus 1 is equals to 0. Then, cube root po ng 1, that is 1. Minus 1 is equals to 0. So, 0 is equals to 0. Okay. So, the solution set on this radical equation is correct. So, we have x is equals to 3. Example number 4, square root of 3x plus 1 minus 2 is equals to square root of 2x minus 7. Then, ang una po natin gagawin is to isolate one radical. So, hiwalay po natin itong 3x plus 1. So, may iiwan po yan dito sa may left side. So, we have 3x plus 1 is equals to, so we have square root of 2x minus 7. Then, transpose po natin negative 2 dito sa may right side. So, negative 2 becomes positive 2. Then, squared po natin both sides of the equation. Then, makakancel po itong square root. Cancel. So, we have 3x plus 1 is equals to, so, ang ibig sabihin po nito, i-expand po natin ito. So, hindi po tayo pwedeng mag-cancel dito dahil may plus 2 po tayo dito. May kasunod po ito na kasama o kasunod. So, kailangan po i-expand po natin ito. So, we have quantity 2x minus 7 square root, then plus 2 times the quantity square root of 2x minus 7 plus 2. Ganyan po ang magiging result nito pag in-expand po natin to. Dalawang ano po kasi ito, quantity. Squared po kasi ito. So, dalawa po ang ilalagay natin dito to expand. So, using FOIL method, so, imumultiply po natin yung first term. So, we have 3x plus 1 is equals to, then multiply the first term dito. So, we have square root of 2x minus 7 times square root of 2x minus 7. That is 2x na lang po minus 7. Then, square root of 2x minus 7 times 2. That is 2. So, plus 2. Square root of 2x minus 7. Then, ito po, yung inner term. So, 2 times square root of 2x minus 7. That is, tapat na natin dito. Dahil yan po yung like terms na pagsasamahin natin. 2x minus 7. Then, last term, 2 times 2. That is positive 4. Then, we have 3x plus 1 is equals to, so we have 2x minus 7. Then, combining like terms, so 2 plus 2, that is 4. Square root of 2x minus 7 plus 4. Then, meron po tayo uling radical symbol dito. So, kailangan po natin itong i-eliminate. So, ang gagawin po muna natin, isi-simplify po natin. So, i-combine po natin yung mga like terms. So, ito pong radical symbol, i-transpose po natin dito sa may left side. Okay? So, positive 4 square root of 2x minus 7 becomes negative 4. Square root of 2x minus 7 is equals to, then we have 2x. So, ito pong 3x, okay, pagsamahin na natin dito, pagtabihin na natin. So, i-transpose po natin dito sa may right side. So, 3x becomes negative 3x. Okay, nilipat natin. So, ang ating pwede pang pagsamahin na like terms, we have negative 7 and positive 4. So, negative 7 plus 4, that is negative 3. Then, i-transpose po natin yung positive 1 dito sa may right side. So, positive 1 becomes negative 1. Okay, so we have, dito natin i-continue. Wala na tayong space. So, we have negative 4. Then, square root of 2x minus 7 is equals to, okay, so 2x minus 3x, that is negative x. Then, negative 3 plus negative 1, that is negative 4. Then, pwede po nating squared both side of the equation dahil nakahiwalay na po ito, naka-isolate na po yung ating 1 radical. Ito po yan. So, pwede na po nating i-squared both sides of the equation. Okay, so maka-cancel po ito, no? Cancel. So, we have, ita-times po natin ito ng 2. Negative 4 times negative 4, that is positive 16. Then, times the quantity. So, matitira po dyan is 2x minus 7 is equals to, okay. So, ang ibig sabihin po nito, dalawang quantity. Dalawang negative x and negative 4. So, we have negative x, negative 4 times the quantity, negative x and negative 4. Okay, ganyan po. So, pag in-expand po natin ito, dalawang quantity, ito po yan. So, we have, distribute po natin ito. 16 times 2, that is 32x. So, we have 32x. Then, 16 times negative 7, that is negative 112. Is equals to, so using the FOIL method, dito po sa dalawang quantity. So, negative x times negative x, that is positive x squared. So, negative x times negative 4, that is positive 4x. Then, negative 4 times negative x, that is positive 4x. Then, negative 4 times negative 4, that is positive 16. Then, so we have 32x minus 112 is equals to x squared plus, okay, combining like terms, 4 plus 4, that is 8x plus 16. Then, ito pong nasa left side, transpose natin lahat dito. Pagsamahin po natin, o simplify natin, so combining like terms po tayo. So, we have 0, ligay natin dito, is equals to x squared. Okay, so wala pong kapareho ang x squared. So, 8x plus 8x. So, may kaparehas po yan. Ito, negative 32x. Transpose po natin dito sa right side. So, negative 32x becomes, positive 32x becomes negative 32x. Then, we have positive 16. Then, transpose negative 112 to the right side. So, negative 112 becomes positive 112. Okay, so hindi na po nakita. Urong lang natin. Yan. Okay, so we have 0 is equals to, we have x squared. Then, combine po natin itong like terms. So, 8 minus 32, that is negative 24. So, we have x. Then, i-add po natin 16 plus 16 plus 112, that is 128. So, plus 128. So, meron na po tayong equation. 0 is equals to x squared minus 24x plus 128. So, ang gagawin po natin dito is kukunin po natin ang factors nitong trinomial na nakuha natin. So, using trial and error method. Okay, so magbubura po tayo dito para masolve po natin. Okay, so using trial and error method, kukunin po natin ang factors ng x squared minus 24x plus 128. Okay, so ito po ang hahanapin natin. So negative 24x. So ang gagawin po natin is kunin po muna natin ang factors ng first term, ito pong x squared, at yung third term, so 128. So i-factors po natin yan dito using trial and error method. So we have x times x. Okay, so that is x squared. Then, ang factors po ng 128. So, kailangan lalabas po itong negative 24. So, i-divide po natin itong 128. Pwede po yung i-divide sa 4. Okay, so gagamit na lang po ako ng calculator. So, 128 divided by 4. Tignan natin kung pwede. Okay, so meron pong 32 at saka 4. So meron po tayong 32 and 4. Ito po ang factors. So malayo po ito dito sa negative na 24 na hahanapin natin kung isusubtract po natin ito. So malayo pa rin po. So maghahanap po tayo ng ibang factors na pwede pa pong i-divide dito sa 128. I-try po natin ang 8. So, we have 128 divided by, so we have 8. Okay. So, we have 16. Okay. So, 8 and 16. 8 times 16 is equals to, so, pag inad po natin ito, pwede na po ito, no? 8 plus 16 is 24. Okay. So, pwede natin gamitin dito. So, ang hinahanap natin is positive 128. So, gagamit po tayong sign na negative and negative. So, negative times negative is positive. Then, ang factors po ng 128, so we have 8 and 16. Then, equals, so i-multiply po natin ito. 8 times 8, x times 8, that is negative 8x. Then, x times negative 16, that is negative 16x. Then, i-add po natin, negative 8 plus negative 16, that is negative 24x. So, nakuha po natin yung nasa middle term na negative 24x. So, ito po ang factors na hinahanap natin. Okay. So, ito po, we have 8, we have x minus 8 and x minus 16. So, 0 is equals to, so we have x minus 16, x minus 16 times the quantity. So, we have x minus 8. Okay. Then, so unahin po natin to, kunin natin ang value ng x. So, we have x minus 16 is equals to 0. Okay, so hindi na magkakasya. Okay, so dito na lang po natin ilalagay. So, we have x minus 16 is equals to 0. Ito po yan, no? Inuna natin. So, x is equals to, transpose po natin to the right side, yung negative 16, magiging positive 16. So, ito po yung una nating value ng x. So, x is equals to positive 16. Then, ito pong isa. So, we have x minus 8 is equals to 0. Then, transpose po natin yung 8 to the right side. So, negative 8 becomes positive 8. So, we have x is equals to 16 and x is equals to 8. Okay, so ito na po yung ating value ng x na nakuha. So, i-check po natin kung tama po yung ating nakuwang value na dalawa. So, dito po tayo magkaroon ng checking. Okay. Then, substitute po natin. Unahin po natin yung 16 is equals to, x is equals to 16. So, we have square root. Okay, so ito po yung ating original na radical equation. So, we have 3 times 16 plus 1 minus 2, then square root of 2 times 16 minus 7. So, we have square root of 3 times 16. That is 48. So, we have 48 plus 1, then minus 2, then square root of 2 times 16, that is 32, minus 7. So, we have square root of 48 plus 1, that is 49, minus 2, is equals to, may equals po pala yan dito. Okay, nakalimutan na natin lagyan. Okay. So, equals to 32 minus 7, that is 25. So, square root of 49, perfect square, that is 7. Minus 2 is equals to square root of 25, that is 5. So, 7 minus 2 is 5, is equals to 5. Okay, correct po ang ating nakuwang unang value ng x is equals to 16. Then, itry po natin yung x is equals to 8 kung mag-i-equal po. So, burahin lang natin ito. Patay. So, substitute po natin yung x is equals to 8 sa ating checking, yung isa pong value. So, we have square root of 3 times 8 plus 1 minus 2 is equals to square root of 2 times 8 minus 7. Then, square root of 3 times 8, that is 24, plus 1, minus 2 is equals to square root of 2 times 8, that is 16, minus 7. Then, 24 plus 1, that is 25. So, square root of 25 minus 2 is equals to square root of 16 minus 7, that is 9. So, square root of 25, perfect square, that is 5 minus 2 equals to, so square root of 9, that is 3. So, 5 minus 2 is 3 is equals to 3. Okay, so tama po ang nakuha nating value. X is equals to 8. So, nag-equal po ang ating checking. So, the solution set on this radical equation is x is equals to 16 and x is equals to 8. So, marami pong salamat sa kanilang panonood and don't forget to like and subscribe.